Hello Hacktubers, and welcome back to my channel. And you can see this is a different angle in my studio. Alright, so what I'm working on, this is the fourth and I think the last garden light made out of PVC that I'm using a glass jar that goes like this. And this is 5 volt 70 milliampere solar panel that will charge the lithium battery inside. And looking nice. It's almost finished. And this is a great project. I 3D printed this attachment for the battery. Look how smooth it goes. Yes, and on top of that I will place this reflector that will get, I can do this with one hand, I can, yes I can. Alright, just wanted to share on what kind of projects I'm working, so I can prepare, shoot the videos and publish to my channel. Let's go to the main desk. So what I'm doing right here, I'm charging 4 18650 lithium batteries that are connected in series, and I'm using my Lithium Pro balanced charger. It's a copy and it's a good charger. It's a Emax B6 model, and you can see that I'm charging right now with 0.7 amps the batteries. And if you press here, you can see the voltage of each voltage. They are almost full. I like this gadget and brings alive into batteries. Also, I wanted to share this project. I found it on the local flea market that I got it for I think 50 cents. This cheap Chinese Bluetooth speaker. Just look how dirty it is, but have a nice shape and I like it. I don't know, should I make a restoration video or to convert this Bluetooth speaker into something else. Please tell me in the comments what do you think. Should I do a restoration or convert it into something else? Oh. This will be my next video, I think. Alright. Also, I wanted to show you this very old Cassette Car Radio. It's a Sony, that's why I bought it. I think I paid $1.50 for this, and it was broken. I fixed it, and take a look at this. It works with cassettes. Play. Alright, and look this. Alright, it's working fine, and it's 4 times by 35 watts with RDS. This is good and I like it. I'm gonna use it in my studio. So now, these days, I'm working on my garden lights. I'm charging batteries that laying around in my workshop. Lithium, this is nickel metal hydride, 1.2 volts. I need to figure out which one is good and which one is bad using my LiPo balanced charger. I'm gonna discharge it and charge it and see the capacity of the battery. till next time, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See ya!